Thank you for watching US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy this next video. Like us, share, subscribe to us on Facebook and social media.
Hi, my name's Val Rouse. I own this 1964 Caddy DeVille. I've owned it now probably about 18 years. Just about 18 years I've owned it. When I bought it, at the time, the body work was completed. The chrome was done. The interior was fair. Most of the work that I've done since I've owned it is in the engine. I've done some work, touched up the interior somewhat, new carpeting, new boot, new convertible top. Kind of makes it what it is.
That's cool.
The Caddy that it is.
How much does it weigh? I'm not a fan of all of that. I'm not a fan of this.
You know, people ask me that question quite a bit. And I tell them the cost of it is $1 a pound.
Okay.
So it's right around $4,900 for the car, and it's just under 5,000 pounds of weight.
You're sell it to me for $4,900?
Not at $1 a pound.
So this is, how many original miles on this car when you got it?
When I purchased the car, there was 71,000 original miles on the car. I've since put maybe about 16,000, about 1,000 miles per year
Looks good.
on the car.
And was this the original color?
This is the original color. Obviously, it's not the original paint, but it is the original color. It's a Persian lime green. Yes.
Can I see how dirty that engine is?
Very, very nice.
This is where a lot of my money went. I think the car just simply deserved it.
And you know what, Val? It's worth every penny.
What are we looking at here?
We're looking at a 429, the first year, 1964, that they came out with the 429 engine.
And what did you do to it?
Well, I had this engine completely taken out, overhauled. I had every piece painted. I had the firewall. The engine compartment was totally redone.
Nice.
Again, I thought the car deserved
There
it.
you go. How's the car to drive?
It'll put you to sleep. The car will put you to sleep, literally.
Let's give it a try. So cool. How about awards? Have you won some car awards?
I've won several awards. I just turn them over to my grandson.
There you go.
He enjoys them. You know, I appreciate the people of this generation when they come by and say, oh yeah, I remember when. That's the part I really appreciate.
All these people, you got 3 people here.
Well, it's not me.
I bug him every time I
Believe
see
me, it's not me, it's the car that attracts people.
him. No, you're not half bad either, Val.
No, you're not that bad.
You're right.
Tell me about the rims.
Those are the original hubcaps for 1964. It's a stainless steel hubcap with a center Cadillac emblem. Thanks for watching. We'll see you the next time.